the next topic we have is sedimentation, decantation and filtration. So about these three processes of separation of two mixtures that we are going to discuss. So yes, it's impossible to separate lighter particles like dust or soil particles, as we know that dust particles and soil particles are very minute and you cannot separate it by doing winnowing या threshing or hand picking. It's nearly impossible. So we need different process for that. Now, rice or pulses are usually washed before cooking with water. As we have seen that before cooking rice or pulses, what do? We wash it. So you must have seen that small dust particles or soil particles that come on the surface. है ना? देखा होगा आपने. And अगर आपने नहीं भी देखा या notice नहीं किया, तो whenever your mom washes rice or pulses, मम्मा को बोलना कि please call me in the kitchen and you just see the demonstration how it is done. Now what will sink? Rice or soil? What will sink? अब soil particles तो they are very minute as I've told you. So they will come on the surface. Surface पे आ जाएंगे. The soil particles, I'm talking about the dust particle that will be that you will see on the surface of the water. And rice being a little heavier as compared to the soil will settle at the bottom. तो जो राइस पार्टिकल होंगे, जो राइस के ग्रेन्स होंगे वो नीचे रह जाएंगे और बाकी जो सॉइल है वो ऊपर आ जाएगा, है ना? Now when heavier component in mixture settles after adding water is called sedimentation. So this particular process in which the rice is settling down below the water में आपने डाला राइस, तो soil particles and dust particles that will come on the surface, है ना? Surface पे वो they will start floating and rice being the heavier particle will settle at the bottom. So that settling at the bottom, जब rice नीचे settle हो जाता है पानी के, that particular process is called as sedimentation. Now when water is removed, that process is called as decantation. So yes, look at this picture. Here we have taken the example of certain solid, whatever you can take. इसके अलावा आप राइस भी ले सकते हैं. तो in the first beaker, as you can see, look at the first beaker carefully. पहला वाला जो beaker है लेफ्ट साइड पे. So उसमें आप देख रहे हैं कि some solid particles we have just put in the water. पानी में just हमने कोई solid particle डाला है. And after some time, leave that beaker for a little bit of time, and you'll see that the heavier particle in the water has settled down, as you can see in the picture. See carefully. तो आप second beaker में देख रहे हैं कि जो heavier particle है वो नीचे बैठ गया है. तो this process, this settlement जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is called as sedimentation. And when you remove water from it, जब आप इसमें से पानी निकाल देंगे, पानी कैसे निकालेंगे? See this picture. As you can see कि आप पानी कैसे निकाल रहे हैं? एक बीकर है, इसके नीचे आप येलो कलर का आप देख रहे हैं कि a solid particle has settled at the bottom, and इस बीकर में आप पानी डाल रहे हैं. तो बहुत ही केयरफुली धीरे धीरे आप पानी क्या करेंगे? दूसरे बीकर में शिफ्ट करेंगे. So आप what we are trying to do, we are not trying to touch or we are not trying to disturb the material which has settled at the bottom. जो मटेरियल नीचे सेटल हो चुका है हम उसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रहे हैं. Instead we are putting the water carefully in another beaker. So that putting or that shifting of water into another beaker or another vessel is called as decantation. What do we call it as? Decantation. In the first process we have seen sedimentation that you can see in this beaker. Solid particle नीचे settle हो गया, same as rice जैसे settle हो जाता है. This process is called as sedimentation. And shifting of water to separate water and that hard substance is called as decantation. Right? Easy. Now, what we have is same principle is used for separating mixtures of two liquids that do not mix with each other. अभी तो हमने यहाँ पे solid के बारे में देखा that we have put some solid substances, for example rice ले लो या pulses ले लो, in the water and they got settled at the bottom. And with the same process, जैसे क्या करते हैं कि वो तो solid के बारे में हमने पढ़ लिया, and in certain liquids this process can be done. कौन सा वाला process? That process called as decantation. ठीक है? And उस केस में क्या होता है कि आप two liquids ऐसे लेंगे. कौन से हम liquids ले सकते हैं उस केस में? Oil with water. अब oil की ऐसी property होती है कि it doesn't get mixed with water. वो पानी के साथ mix बिल्कुल नहीं होता. Oil. तो अब कभी भी अगर oil पानी में डालेंगे तो it will always come on the surface. It will always float on the surface or they will form a separate layer. all together. So they won't get mixed easily. Now when stood still, two separate layer and then separated by decantation. आपने उसको काफी देर तक रखा. For example, आप ये देखो. This is, for example, I am taking a beaker and I have taken a water. तो ये water particles हैं. These are water particles. अब इस केस में क्या होगा when you are putting the water, when you are putting the oil in it. हम oil क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं? We are trying to mix it. So this substance is water and we have mixed or put oil in it. So the oil won't get mixed with the water. Oil अब इसके साथ mix नहीं कर रहा है. It is forming a separate layer. थोड़ा लाइटर होता है पार्टिकल. तो ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये जो सेपरेट लेयर मैं बना रही हूं, दिस इज द ऑयल. ये सेपरेट हो चुका है एंड इट इज वेरी क्लियरली विजिबल थ्रू योर नेकेड आईज. ये आपको बहुत क्लियरली दिख जाएगा, आपकी अपनी आंखों से दिख जाएगा. ये आप एक काम करना, आप ट्राई करना कि आप पानी में थोड़ा सा ऑयल मिलाना एंड you'll see that it will form a separate layer altogether. Yes, so after preparing tea, what will happen? Decantation helps a little. Okay, decantation तो we have already done कि decantation किन चीजों में help कर रहा था? For separating two liquids. अब क्या है, हमने देखा था that in the process where we were washing rice with water, so उस केस में the soil particles were on the top and rice was at the bottom. तो हमने क्या किया, हमने water पूरा discard कर दिया ताकि हमें rice नीचे मिल जाए. And in the case of liquids, we saw that जो oil था वो top पे आ जा रहा था. It was forming a whole different layer and नीचे पानी आ जा रहा था. तो by the process of decantation we also separated that कि oil की जो layer है वो अलग हो जाए and water अलग हो जाए. But in case of tea में आप decantation का process properly नहीं कर पाएंगे, being reason कि tea का जो color है it is quite thick and आप जितना आप उसको नीचे गिराओगे, but जो tea leaves हैं वो क्या होते हैं, वो thoroughly mixed होते हैं. तो कुछ ना कुछ, कोई ना कोई particle will always come along with your tea. तो वो आप पी नहीं पाएंगे, मतलब it won't be good, वो आपको मजा नहीं आएगा पीने में, है ना. सो वहां पे decantation इतना काम नहीं आता है. So what will come here? Pour the tea through a strainer. Now we are using a strainer to pour tea. तो हम strainer का यूज कर लेते हैं, जो जिसमें छोटे छोटे होल्स होते हैं, आपने देखा होगा, जिससे हम छानते हैं टी. इन हिंदी we call it as, है ना. So this process is called as filtration. तो जो हम टी strainer के थ्रू डालते हैं. So here is an animation. As you can see, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, आप देख रहे होगे कि एक strainer है and आपका कप रखा हुआ है and from the strainer the tea is being poured. तो इस प्रोसेस को, जो ये प्रोसेस चल रहा है इस एनिमेशन में, this process is called as what? Filtration. So यहाँ पे अभी हमने decantation, sedimentation वाला कोई प्रोसेस नहीं किया है. Instead of that, we are using filtration.